Sixth one, write a Python program to count the number of even and odd numbers in a series of numbers. Okay, so just series of numbers, you have to get the output how many numbers are even and how many numbers are odd. Okay, number total. Okay, so simple thing, just first initial even is equal to 0. Okay, odd is equal to 0 and if you want to get sequence of numbers, use range function here in loop I equal to I in range, use sum 10 here, enough. Any sequence of numbers. Okay, suppose if you want 50, you can use 50 here in range function, or you can use 100 here, how many you want. And if suppose if 5 percentage by 2, if 5 percentage by 2 equal to 0, even the logic. Okay, this is the logic, even number, we will get the even number here. But we don't want even numbers here, just we want the how many numbers are there, we want count. Okay, even is equal to even plus, else odd is equal to odd plus 1. Okay, so print how many even numbers are there, number of even numbers, even numbers, even. Okay, and next one is odd numbers, how many odd numbers, one just output how many even numbers are there in sequence of numbers, how many odd numbers are there, odd numbers, odd. Simple. Suppose logic is that if you want to get the even number, if the percentage by 2 equals 0, that's the even number, otherwise odd number. Simple logic it is. And we have to use range function here to get the sequence of numbers. You can use any number here, instead of 10 you can use any number of numbers. Okay, observe, otherwise you can print here, print I to means to type the int I comma end is equal to space. Okay, sorry, 0 1 2 3 4 9, number of even numbers is 5, number of odd numbers is 5. Okay, in 0 to 9, see 0 2 4 6 8 are even numbers and rest are the odd numbers here. So we will get the number of even numbers is 5, number of odd numbers are 5 here. Okay, so the simple logic it is.